If you've been trying to figure out how to find your top converting affiliate pages automatically, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do exactly that and get more value from your affiliate marketing efforts without wasting time. Stick around until the end because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial to try out the software I recommend to help you track and find these pages. We've all heard about tracking software, but finding the one that can actually help you find the pages that drive the most conversions automatically can be tricky. You can spend hours manually sifting through data from multiple affiliate programs. But there's an easier way, and it's something I wish I'd known earlier. The first thing you need is the right tool that can automatically track your affiliate pages and give you detailed insights into what's actually working. This software is super intuitive and integrates with most affiliate networks. It's going to make it easy to pinpoint the high converting pages that are driving the most traffic and commissions. And don't worry, you won't have to manually compare each page's performance. This tool does it for you automatically. What you're going to do is set up your campaigns in this software, and within minutes, it'll give you a clear overview of which affiliate links are performing the best. The best part? You don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge to get started. It's all automated, from tracking clicks to conversions. Once you've set up everything, the software will give you a breakdown of the performance of each affiliate page, showing you exactly how well each page is converting so you can quickly identify your top performers. If you want to take it a step further, the software also allows you to optimize your pages by showing you detailed statistics and suggesting improvements. This means you're not just finding your best pages, you're actively improving them based on real-time data. And I know what you're thinking, Dan, how do I actually get started with this? Well, I've got you covered. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I'm offering an exclusive free trial to the software we're using. The link is right in the description below, and this free trial is only available to my viewers, so don't miss out. Now, for the key takeaway. The secret to finding your top converting affiliate pages automatically lies in using the right tracking software that simplifies the process. By automating the tracking and performance analysis, you can save tons of time and focus on optimizing what works. To quickly recap, use software that integrates with your affiliate programs, set it up to track your pages, and let the tool do the heavy lifting for you. You'll be able to find those high converting affiliate pages without all the manual work. So, take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below and start finding your top converting affiliate pages automatically today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.